A landmark ruling from the High Court has found the Belize Sugarcane Farmers Association and two of its members liable for over $500,000 in damages after a 3-day blockade of the Belize Sugar Industries Limited mill in December 2021 brought operations to a grinding halt. The protest, triggered by a breakdown in commercial negotiations between BSI and BSCFA, saw cane-laden trucks block the entrances of the mill and its residential compound. The court found that this action, though not officially sanctioned by the BSCFA, was effectively enabled by its leadership, who failed to intervene until a new agreement was reached. Justice Rajiv Goantileke ruled that the blockade was a deliberate act of economic pressure, not a spontaneous protest. The court awarded BSI $520,674 in damages for lost production and employee costs. A related claim by Belize Cogeneration Energy Limited, Belcogen, which relies on BSI's byproduct bagasse to generate electricity, resulted in an additional $43,456 in damages. However, the judgment also raised questions about the company's own preparedness and response. The court found that both BSI and Belcogen could have mitigated some of their losses. For instance, Belcogen had a reserve of bagasse that could have kept its power plant running during the blockade, but chose not to use it. The case highlights the fragile interdependence between cane farmers and mill operators in Belize's sugar industry. While farmers rely on BSI to buy their cane, BSI depends on timely deliveries to keep its mill running. The blockade, which began on the very first day BSCFA was scheduled to deliver cane, was seen by the court as a strategic move to force BSI's hands in negotiations. Should farmer associations bear full responsibility for the actions of their members? Could BSI and Belcogen have done more to prevent or respond to disruption? What mechanisms should be in place to resolve disputes without an economic fallout? This case may serve as a cautionary tale and a call for more resilient and transparent systems of negotiation and accountability.